Wagwan guys, welcome back to another video. So right now today we are paying tribute to grandma because today her grandma's birthday, so she passed off a couple of weeks ago and laid to rest days before her birthday, so she would be 85-year-old today. So mommy morning, bless up yourself, say hi to mommy. You can say hi. She going so far. So yes guys, we are paying a little tribute to grandma and I'm sorry we couldn't go over her grave and I'll go sit down and go and talk with her a minute, but as we come back to Portland, you see it. So yeah guys, can't cool too. Yeah, can't cool too. Yes Rasta, so as me I say, come check mommy when I time come so she go and we just see it, so they are soon gone home back and thing, but yeah, much respect. I own a Reed Scott. That's grandma, so she passed off and things, so you know the thing go down. Just go and bless upon yourself. Blessed love and evening guys, see there? Take a walk out, come carry here, come look for grandma, You know the thing go? Have to make sure it's a grandma in our life, and everybody, the family member, uncles and all of them things there. I know say she have only for uncle because a lot of brother they from my side. And them thing they you see it. So yeah man, make Leah walk out because she have no road from early to yes me. Yes Rasta, so we walk out, go look for something down at the supermarket and then we go head home soon, you see it? Why them fly out? Mommy found my face fly out to kill me. Yes, Rasta, so as I was saying, mommy carry come look for grandma because you don't know anything go. Can't do one with mommy alone, because when time ready to go somewhere, she can't stay with her grandma, learn to drink and feed her early. I don't want breast alone, that's a grandma. Hello grandma, of course me say breast is the best. Yay, let's store my breast them. And her grandmother cuss me. So if you don't get her no feed and get her breast them. So guys, right now, we need 2 cows. I have got plant 2 cows for later get the milk them. Yes, and today our grandma's birthday, January 4. So grandma happy birthday, although you pass and gone rest in heaven. Go and bless up till we meet up there, Go and watch and guide over your children them you left behind and your grandchildren and great grandchildren them. Yes man. And Tyrone, make sure you big up yourself, on each channel. And guys, want to go over and follow Stigma Boss channel, that's my brother channel, on each channel, so you can go over there and follow him one at a time and check it out. I do some fishing vlogs and all of that, and underwater fishing, diving rather. Yes, so I dive and shoot fish. But I don't know the sea rough, so you can't even go out there and him have work, so go over and check out him channel, Said Speed. Yes man, I respect and thanks and blessing all the time. Yes Rasta, so guys go and stay tuned. Think we're gonna be christening Leah on the 7th. Yeah, dedication of the baby and all of that, so yeah, we're gonna be in church on Sunday along with mother, because mother always gone to church, as you know, she done left her church now. So we are going to church with mommy and the whole family and all of that, so bless up on yourself and